everybody. Today I present to you a demonstration of gravimanipulation. Yes, you heard me correctly, gravimanipulation. Anybody know what these are called? Oh, devil sticks. Yes, I've heard this is an ancient Chinese devil stick. This is a juggling toy that was invented over 2,000 years ago in Jamaica. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to perform for you using no mechanical or electrical trickery. Just like in this example, it's just me and these sticks versus the forces of gravity. And then I stop and you guys make some noise. Okay, I'm going to step through this hoop, contort my body through the hoop, then step out the other side. Starting off, stepping through the hoop. Okay, I did that wrong. So if everybody come around to this side. Thank you. All right, I'm going to do this anyway. Okay, where's my hat? My hat's too big. My butt's too big. Okay, and now that I've got that completely done, it's time for the Chinese reaching ring pass-through of death. Of death! Or at least very serious embarrassment. Yes, so far so what? Okay, wait, sorry, that's a long way down. I was distracted. Hey! I know, push, hold, and if I've done this correctly, not only have the hoops passed from right to left and left to right, but they're also miraculously linked together, and the crowd goes wild! Magic! Right. Like this, applause cue. Reaching the gravity towards everybody. Hold it up so everybody can see. There we go. All right, hand it over. Not yours. Fine, but we still got plenty more. We got right here. Look up, look up. Jack is loaded. Go like this, go like this. Hold your hand up. Now don't move. Just hold your hand up. Stand still. Don't move. Don't move. Because this might take it. Okay, we got one in your hair here. Just tip your head forward. Tip your head forward. Go like this. Now don't move. I'll show you what my dad taught me. Like yours too. Hands on your hip. Hand up. Now don't move. Good job. Right? Okay. Big finish. Think about it. Give it up for Jackson! One more. That's for you. Thanks for helping out. Don't forget your hat. Thanks very much. Here we go. Flashy beginning juggling trick. Thank you. One person. Followed by this trick. Yes! Guaranteed to give me a screaming ovation! And watch carefully and watch closely as I magically balance one club on top of the other. And flip it over. And now, the big switch from one to the other. Sorry, that was cheap. One to the other, end to end. Yep. Ah. Nothing. So I'll try it again. And now my flashy finishing juggling trick. Hey, hoop. There it is. Hoop. Booyah! Woo! Don't move. Here we go. Ready? Yep. Thank you. Yeah. I'm just as surprised as you are. Please go listen carefully. While I embed my fingerprints into your shoulders, I need you to hand me 2 knives with your right hand. Good. I got them. 1 knife, left hand. Good. I got it. Yeah, they look a lot sharper now. All right. Take on the count of 3. Run for your life. You got that? All right. Those of you out there with cameras, better be quick. Those of you without cameras, if I do this, I want to hear loud, tumultuous noise up here. I'm not talking about the sound of my body. I haven't used the stage either. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right, here we go, my big 5. Finger finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah!